So far, you've set up your application to save the current score and time remaining on the countdown timer before your activity was destroyed. However, you've not added any code to restore and use these saved values. You saved your game state, such as the score and the time remaining, via onSave instance state. But where do you restore these saved values? If you take a look at the method declaration for onCreate, you might notice that the method gets passed a saved instance state parameter. That's where we get our values. When we saved our values, we saved them with a key. To fetch our values, we get them back through the same key. Mind you, we need to have an idea about the type we are using. So if we saved a variable that is a long type, we call getLong, passing in the key. If it were an integer, it would be a getInt and so forth.
With your project open in main-activity.kt, replace the reset game line in onCreate with the following code. Here you check save instance state first. If it is null, then there is no previously saved data to restore, and you can simply reset the game to its default state. But if there is saved data, then you set the score and time left to the saved values, and then call a new method called restoreGame to restore game to its saved state. Next, you need to implement this new restoreGame method. Add the following code. This code should look pretty familiar since it's almost the same as reset game. The biggest difference is that you use values restored via the passed-in saved instance state parameter instead of the default values for a new game. And of course, since you are restoring a running game, you immediately start the timer instead of waiting for a button tap as you do in the reset game method. But that's about it. Run your game and tap the hit me button a few times. Let the timer run down a bit and then rotate the device. The score and timer do not get reset now. Bug fixed.